Hi, this time we'll be talking about understanding pivot tables and creating a simple pivot table. They said it is complex, but I'm going to show you how you're going to do it in a very simple way. Let's go to our example. In our data, as what we have discussed in the previous lessons, we have to make sure that there are no blank rows and that the heading is next to the data itself. Alright, so we can click anywhere in the data. So let's put here our cursor and go to the Insert tab. You will see this icon option, Insert Pivot Table. So if you click on that, it will show us a Create Pivot Table and dialog box. And notice at the back that all the data has been selected through this selector. Okay, so select a date, table, or range. We're done. New worksheet, yes. So once you click on that, we will see a different page. It created a new worksheet, which is sheet 11 in this example. And we have here on the right side, you will see the pivot table field list. So this is very important because this is where you decide in which field you're going to put it in, either on the row field or row labels or column field or column labels. So I'm going to show you, let's put the rep under the row label and notice what happens on the worksheet. So you will see the row labels. Now let's add budget to it and let's add the sales. There you go. So all of this in bold, rep, budget, sales has already been added in the column label or column field. I'm sorry, in the row label. All right, now let's put the campaign in the column field. Now you will see that all of the columns that we have has the name of the campaigns. And also what is very helpful in this pivot table is we can filter, all right, and we can also sort. So let's try to show you how to filter it. You will see this filter button. If you click on that, select field by. Okay, let's uncheck select all and let's try to look at the data for Christian only. Click OK. Then this is the data for Christian. So we have here Christian and the budget and the sales. All right. So we can also further filter it by, in this example, we have campaign. So uncheck select all and let's try to put in AZ Phoenix. There you go. So Christian doesn't have any data on AZ Phoenix. So let's select all again. Okay, let's select all reps and let's select AZ for Phoenix. There you go. So the only data that we have for AZ Phoenix in this example is only Jenny. All right. So this is very helpful when it comes to analyzing and looking at the data. Also, if we look at the pivot table field, we can make changes on how you want to arrange this. So if we click on this arrow under the rep, either you move it down, move it to the end, move to report filter, move to column labels, move to values, remove field, or however you want it to appear. All right. So it's very simple to create a pivot data or a pivot table. Hope you learned something today.